Today I'm going to show you how to make a pretzel keychain using your I-cord knitter. So hopefully you've had an opportunity to watch my video about the I-cord knitter, and hopefully you've purchased one for yourself. So as promised, I did say I was going to make a couple crafts. I will be making more in the future so that you have some ideas of how to use it. So I'm not going to show you how to actually make your cord. That's a separate video you can look at. But all I am going to tell you is for this craft, I use an acrylic yarn, 6 ounce, in a brown. And I really prefer this yarn the best with it. I just think it works really well, and it's a nice soft yarn. And so all you need is the knitter tool, a cord, and this one's a little bit smaller than this one, so it depends on how big you want your pretzel. I'm going to make these into keychains. A couple little beads in white for the salt. I'm using a pair of tweezers to put that on, and a big sewing needle because that's how you're going to connect the two ends. So basically you want to do your cording and you want to tie it off. I have demonstrated this before. And then all I'm going to do is twist, give it 2 twists, and you're going to shape it, twisting the wrong way. You're going to shape it into your pretzel like so. And you're going to bring your ends down on each side like that. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take your needle, and with the extra thread that you leave on each end, you're going to sew it to the base of the pretzel there. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're just going to thread your needle, and so you want to shape it, see where you want to place them. And so this one I'm going to place right here, so I'm just going to hold on to this side and not worry about the other side. And then all you're going to do is just catch the bottom of the pretzel and pull it up through the top. And you're going to do this about 3 times, just going across it to make sure that you're going to secure that into place, like so. So we're going to do one more time to the other end, like that. Then once you've secured it, all you have to do is put your needle inside the tube, because it's hollow on the inside, and run your needle up, and then just poke it out. And then you're just going to trim that off, and that'll stay inside the tube, like so. And then you're just going to do that to the other side. So what I did to keep the pretzel kind of in shape is I just put a dab of hot glue between this top here and put it together, so that way it holds its shape and it doesn't move around too much. So that's the first dab of hot glue will be between those two. And once you do that, I took a pair of tweezers, and I'm just going to hold my bead between them and just put a little dab of glue right on the tip of the bead, like so. And then I'm going to put it right onto my pretzel. And so I'm just going to put them around, and that will be the salt on the pretzel. So if you put a little keychain on it, lots of girls like to put these on their pocketbooks or their backpacks. So I think it would make a cute little decoration for any little girl. And if this is your first time watching, welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you want to receive future notification of posts, hit the bell. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.